Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to actually be doing a plan with me. It's been a long time since I have done a plan with me, but I'm in the mood for some reason to do one for the week of February 24th to March 1st, 2020. The kit I am going to be using is a kit called Molly. This is from Avalon and Ninth. This kit is absolutely beautiful. I love these colors. I'm not a big decorator type planner when it comes to St. Patty's Day or holidays coming up, but this does have green in it, so I guess that counts. Wait till you see this kit. It is absolutely beautiful. Look at these washi strips for the bottom. I will be using my Erin Condren vertical neutral life planner along with a weekly sticker kit like I just mentioned from Avalon and Ninth. I will link everything I mention in this video in the description box below. If you are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and tap that little notification bell icon so you can get future video updates for when I upload next. Now let's get on with the plan with me. I'm very weird about doing plan with me's because I seriously decorate my planner the same way every single freaking week. I am a decorative planner. I like to use sticker kits, although I'm always broke. So I've been out of sticker kits for a while, and I just purchased a couple weeks back and got them, as you can see, 4 kits from Avalon and Ninth. As you get into your planner groove, as they call it, you won't just buy all the stickers, because I totally understand. I have literally bins and bins and bins filled with Etsy stickers from shops that I don't even use. It's insane. And a whole closet filled with Target dollar spot crap. Yes, that I just won't throw out. But anyway, getting back to the reason of this video, the way I decorate my weeklies, that's if I have a full weekly sticker kit. I like to put these Monday through Sunday. I love the way she does these swatches, how they look like paint swatches, if you know what I mean. And I have so many date dots that I can grab date dots or I just write it in. A lot of times I don't even put the date in, honestly, because I'm lazy like that. I also got 4 kids like that, so nothing is easy in my life. Just like I should be cleaning right now, but instead I'm decorating my planner and making a video. Yes, priorities, right? Oh, and this is my super cute little keychain that I got from Michael's. The Once More with Love collection from Michael's. Isn't that cute? I just have that clipped onto my planner. So then I put Thursday here. Usually I decorate Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday because I'm lazy like that, like I said, like for the 3rd time. And then once I get into Thursday, I'll decorate Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Like usually I don't even put these down yet, but I am going to right now. And I'll probably speed this up so you don't have to be bored. And I always freaking put these wrong. Like they're always crooked. That's why I like the swatches, because you can't really tell like you can with like the straight Monday through Sunday headers. And this was like the perfect day, so I had to get this plan with me done because my daughter is gone. She's 21, but she is so freaking loud. And her room is right next to my planner / office room where I film and I do my blog. And so, yeah, it's like, and then my son has a full day. The youngest is 5 and he has a full day of preschool. These are also removable. To an extent, just like any other sticker. Okay, so I do that, and then I will do the headers. So what I usually do is do the opposite color. I'm very, very weird when it comes to decorating my planner because I love sticker kits, but I only use certain stickers in the kits, and then I have like all these sticker sheets left over from all these old kits that I just don't use. Like I said, that's why I don't lay down certain boxes unless I have a doctor's appointment, the kids have a doctor's appointment, or something to do with school. So I just have a pretty much boring ass life. So we got the skinny headers. I forgot that these kits were like this. I always cover up, but I always mess up. Oh, that actually came out pretty good. And then what I'll do is I'm actually, because I can save these for 2 weeks, these kits. Since there's 2 sets of the Monday through Sunday headers, I can definitely get 2 weeks out of these kits. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save these for next week. So yes, you can get 2 weeks out of these kits, you guys. I probably should have did all of the whatever flowers these friggin' are, but I think I did it like, see what I mean? They are removable to an extent, just like any so-called removable stickers. I'm gonna remove after you press and place and press like I do. So good enough. There we go. I always do the sidebar, so I'll do that. This baby, if you're cutting washi, is great. It's like a craft knife. I think Mary Mundo, she mentioned this years ago that she uses this to cut washi. So this is perfect. It's not sharp. It's not going to cut you, but it's sharp enough to slice the washi. So that's what I use. I just like shoot. If I'm using washi that's too long. So if you are interested in checking out my spreads, I post them twice a week, sometimes more, on my Instagram page at Planning in the Deep. I will link that also in the description box below so you can see how my weeks turn out. Because like I said, I don't like to lay anything down that I may waste or I may not use. Pretty boring life and 4 kids and not much to do besides your maybe doctor's appointment here and there. So anyway, I will link everything in the description box below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram so you can see how I actually finish planning my week, since I do it on a day-to-day basis. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like my content, I would appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up. It would help me in the YouTube algorithm. Also, don't forget to tap that notification bell icon so you can get future video updates for when I upload next. Have a wonderful day, everybody.